Good morning, Mr. Rahul Wali. Yes, you are also audible.
Speakers and
morning,
all
Mr.
of you,
Gupta.
can you unmute your video? We will take some couple of photographs in the beginning because once it starts, it will go. Can you please unmute your videos, please? Rajita, Prabhu, Joydeep, but can you unmute your videos, please? Chef Gill.
Chef
Welcome,
Uma
Chef Ramesh
Shankar.
Javadi, Chef. Morning. Welcome,
ma'am.
Ms. Niranjana, welcome.
Morning, Chef.
Ajita, welcome.
Chef Uma Shankar, can you
Dr.
unmute
Geeta Lakshmi
your
madam is
video,
just
please,
joining.
for a photo session? Uma Shankar.
Chef, I am
Can you-
available, Chef, with Yashwan.
Can you switch on your video, Chef Uma Shankar? We're just taking a screenshot
Okay,
for the.
okay.
Pavitra, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir. Now I can hear you. Good morning, Madam Vice Chancellor.
Morning, madam. Morning, welcome, madam. Morning. Welcome, Dr. Geeta Lakshmi.
We have about 90 participants right now. And counting.
Hari.
Can we start the program? And
Yes, sir. So can we start the program?
go ahead, we can start the program.
Thank you, sir. A very good morning to everyone gathered here. Before we start our program, I request all the participants to mute yourself to prevent background noise. Once again, a very good morning to everyone gathered here. It brings me immense pleasure in welcoming you all on behalf of Presidium of Indian Federation of Culinary Association to today's virtual inaugural ceremony of Chef Mastery, a 10-day culinary marathon value-added course specially designed by Indian Federation of Culinary Associations for empowering the less privileged girls at Kaushal College, Ranchi, under the auspicious leadership of Honorable Chief Minister of Jharkhand, Shri Hemant Soren. Chef Mastery value-added course was conceptualized and designed specially to empower these wonderful young budding chefs from Kaushal College. Carefully curated topics contributed by our honorary trainers who have joined in Indian Federation of Culinary Associations mission. Our mission also includes contributing towards the society by helping the underprivileged in association with Pan IIT Alumni Reach for Indian Foundation. The Indian Federation of Culinary Association is a nodal body for culinary professionals in India. It is an independent, apolitical, non-religious, non-profitable, and non-voluntary organization of culinary professionals. IFCA was created to develop culinary professionals and to showcase Indian cuisine on the global platform. Pan IIT Alumni Reach for Jharkhand Foundation has come up with its first culinary college at Ranchi. ITI Kaushal College, Ranchi Culinary is the first of its kind in the country that is working for the empowerment for underprivileged girls. I'm pleased to welcome our guest of honor, Professor Dr. S. Geeta Lakshmi, Vice Chancellor of Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute, Deemed University, Madurai, Chennai, along with Indian Federation of Culinary Associations Presidium, Dr. Chef Manjit Singhal, Founder President, Dr. Chef Soundararajan, Founder General Secretary, Chef Vijaya Bhaskaran, Vice President, Chef Madhusudan Gupta, Treasurer, and various panelists and chef trainers from different states and Pan IIT alumni members, IFCA member association, welcome you all. I now call upon Ms. Niranjana to present introduction about Founder President of Indian Federation of Culinary Associations, Dr. Chef Manjit Singhal.
Good morning, everyone. It is an honor to introduce the President of the Indian Federation of Culinary Associations, Dr. Chef Manjit Singhal. He is also the past President and founder of Indian Culinary Forum. He has held the position of Corporate Chef at the ITC Welcome Group since 1991. Being a motivational speaker, he has been sharing his wisdom and profound knowledge. In a speech during Friends Night, he said, "Professionals or any arts or skills take time to ripen. There are no shortcuts to that." Apart from being closely associated with this prestigious group of IFCA, Chef Guild holds notable memberships of professional organizations such as the Master Craftsman Craft Guild of Chefs, Great Britain, the Cookery and Food Association, Great Britain, American Culinary Federation, Chicago. He is the first Indian to receive honorary life membership into the World Chefs Organization. We welcome you, sir.
Hello, and thank you very much for your kind words. Hello and good morning to all of you. A very warm welcome to each and every one of you. Our distinguished guests of honor, Dr. S. Geeta Lakshmi, Vice Chancellor of Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute, Mr. Kalyan T. Chakrabarti, Founding Sevak and the Executive Director of Pan IIT Alumni Reach for India Foundation. Nevertheless, Mr. Sakesh Singh, Assistant Director, Kaushal College, Ranchi, respected teachers, staff, IFCA Presidium, and my dear students, the inauguration of our pilot program, Chef Mastery. Chef Mastery's value-added course was conceptualized and designed specially to empower these wonderful budding chefs from Kaushal College. Carefully curated topics contributed by our honorary trainers who joined the IFCA mission, contributing towards the society by helping the underprivileged, promoting culinary knowledge and propagating and teaching various kinds of foods. Indeed, the Chef Mastery helps students to pick up the skills from these senior chefs who are today taking the presentations in the classes and their style of working. They will pick up their style of working. They should observe them, how they are handling the food, how they are holding the knife, how they are holding the pan. These small basics are very, very important in culinary. And there is a science behind it. One must try to understand and I appreciate if the students ask as many questions during the question answer session to clear their doubts, and questions should always be asked. Some people don't have the initiative to ask the question, but if someone who has the initiative asks questions, the others also learn from that. That question is there in their mind also. but sometimes some people hesitate to ask. But never mind that. But people who can do, they must come forward and ask questions so they and the others who are listening also learn. So it's very, very important to participate and discuss with the chef mentor who are coming across to you today. IFCA bringing the forefront obscure culinary knowledge, skills, and styles in association with Pan IIT Alumni Reach for India Foundation. This beautiful day has arrived. I'm sure you all have been eagerly waiting for this day. Thank you.
Thank you, Chef, for your kind words. I now invite Ms. Niranjana to give introduction on Dr. Chef Soundararajan.
I feel extremely delighted to introduce Dr. Chef Soundararajan, the Corporate Executive Chef Director and owner of Greenhouse Barbecue. Chef Soundararajan is the General Secretary of the IFCA and the only chef to be elected from Asia to be a member of the prestigious WACS Global Culinary Education Committee during 2006-2007. He is the second Indian to receive honorary life membership into the World Chefs Organization. He has received many awards and recognitions, which includes a national award for the best chef in India in the year 2007. He has also won a Gold Hat Award from the South India Culinary Association for 2 decades of continuous contribution to the profession. Along with Chef Sanjay Thakur of Etihad Airways, he has accomplished a world record by setting up a pop-up Indian fine dining restaurant at the highest altitude on Earth. Guinness Book of Records has recorded the feat and declared Siryagyoni, the fine dining pop-up operated somewhere in Mount Everest by these Indian chefs, as the highest altitude pop-up restaurant. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you, Niranjana, for your wonderful introduction on Dr. Chef Soundararajan. I now request Dr. Chef Soundararajan to say a few words.
Namaskar and good morning. I'm sorry for a long introduction and be a host, but thank you very much for that. But it's a process. It's for an academic requirement.
No, it is not sorry. You have achieved it.
So thank you very much, madam. So dear guest of honor, Dr. S. Geeta Lakshmi, Vice Chancellor of Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute, Mr. B. Muthuraman, Chairman, though he is not here, Mr. Kalyan T. Chakrabarti, Founding Savak and Executive Director of Pan IIT Alumni Reach for India Foundation, Ms. Meenakshi Kumar, Chief Project Officer at Pan IIT Alumni Reach for India Foundation, Ranchi, Jharkhand, India, Mr. Vijay Srinivasan, I think he is not there, and Mr. Sakesh Singh, Assistant Director of Coastal College, Ranchi, IFCA, Presidium, and our honorary trainee chefs, and also the hard-working IFC office bearers, the Presidium, and the Executive Office, and also the faculty members of the Coastal College, and honorary speakers, and master trainers, and chefs, and friends, and colleagues. Thank you very much for making this event a great beginning. I'm sure this kind of event requires a lot of hard work from various circles, whether it is from the student side in participating or from the speaker side participating. It requires a lot of work. I have a small presentation which I like to run this presentation, which gives an overview of IFC and also overview of the scope. It will also take you Chef Mastery is a program. Actually, Mr. Kalyan and Mr. Vijay Srinivasan, both of them met the Presidium exactly almost about 3 years back. And they were so enthusiastic that they said they were adamant that in their bouquet of lot of other skills, they would like to definitely include this culinary skills as one of the courses. They were so interested, we couldn't deny. So IFCA has partnered with IIT alumni and the Kaushal College, and in coordination and lot of support from the government of Jharkhand, we have launched this one-year course. And this is a beginning. Okay, for the students, for the Kaushal College, and for the guests, I like to introduce the Indian Federation of Culinary Associations. It's a fraternity of culinary professionals, and it is the only chefs organization recognized by the Government of India, Ministry of Tourism, recognized by FSSAI, and it is also a proud member of the World Association of Chef Societies, and also in the steering board of the NETPROFAN, formed by FSSAI and the World Bank. For any professional body, it's very important to connect education, networking, cultural heritage, international benchmark, industry, and global trends. And we are also a national member of the World Association of Chef Societies. And we have the regional associations under our organization to take care of each of the regions of this large subcontinent. These are our various members of this association. It's available in all this information. We have it in the IFCA social media networks or the websites. You can have a look at it. So the IFCA has a working committee like Presidium and other chapters, and they have an executive office to take care of all the work. And IFCA is also recognized by the societies of registration, and we have also submitted the memorandum of our articles to the Government of India, FSSAI, and also the societies. We have so far, in the long running of almost 18 years, we have done 9 international pastry cups. We have participated. We have done 3 editions of national level culinary challenges, and we have done various events of national and international level. And we work closely with the Ministry of Tourism and National Council of Hotel Management. We also work closely with the Confederation of Indian Industries and various state governments, tourism departments, and we work with the various we work with the World Association of Chef Societies and also the Japanese Trade Promotion Council. And we work with a lot of international agencies and various country heads, and also we also work closely with the various catering culinary institutes in India and abroad. And we also work with the USDA organization. So we work very closely with all the 108 countries. Some of the events we have done, which is of a national importance or a global importance, is a global culinary challenge. We have various editions of national conference, and we have also have an accreditation program of FSA Food Safety and Hygiene program. We have also participated in, we represent India as a national team in various international challenges and various pastry challenges globally. Though we are very, very young organization in the International Culinary Forum. We are just about approximately 20 years old, thinking of running an organization, but globally culinary exists for more than 100 years. But we are proud to have sent the second largest contingent for our World Congress held in Malaysia, which was a grand success, and it was a great proud moment for us. And we also hold in just forming in the last 15 years, becoming a member, we also hold the World Education Committee Vice Chair and World Chefs Heritage Committee Chair. And we actually connect the world, connect 7 million chefs around the world. We also run a global culinary certification and professional chef certification. And we have also conducted, the IFCA has conducted under the leadership of Chef Gill, a World Heritage Cuisine Summit and Food Festival, which we brought in around 80 country chefs and 80 country representatives to showcase their food. So let us see what is the Vision 2050. So the Vision 2050 comes out of what? See, IFCA and its representatives have been invited by the Chefs Manifesto India Action Hub of the United Nations. It's a great proud moment for us, and Chef Gill is our ambassador of Chefs Manifesto to India. And it has 460 chefs around the world to explore what they can deliver and how they can bring down or eradicate the hunger around the globe. That is one part of our thing. Next one, we are also a member of NetProfan. The IFC is part of a member of NetProfan, and it has been formed by the World Bank and also the FSSAI in order to create demand for safety and healthy food and showcase the nutrition aspects and everything. I require the Kaushal College members and also the chefs have to take note of these things, which are the recent developments. So the one is the United Nations, second is the NetProfan. Third one, IFCA is also collaborating with the Indian Institute of Millet Research to bring, and recently Mr. Amitabh Kant has brought in the white paper, launched the white paper on millets for the national, and it is a national event which IFCA was also part of it. And I'm happy to inform you that IFCA has been invited by the Indian Council of Agriculture Research to showcase our innovative foods and how agriculture, how farmers can help us. So the Vision 2050, these are the various organizations which we are involved to take things further. Let me see what is beyond this 2050. So 1.6 billion Indians will have by 2050. 2/3 Indians are in food related. 1/4 of children and adolescents are in this 1.6 billion. 1/10 of the school children in pre-diabetic stage. 100 million are food-borne disease. 40% are milk and vegetable-borne diseases. 50% women will be either obese or anemic, and 20% meat is wasted. So we have launched this fortification, trans-fat-free, nutrition pack, biodiversity. We help various organizations to launch. So with this pandemic, there is no pandemic. Don't worry about the pandemic. See, we are talking about the pandemic from 2019 March. You all know that we are all closed. But can human race exist without food? Can human race exist without health? Can human race exist without food processing? Impossible. So please get ready to manage this Vision 2050. So the current emerging lifestyles are Ayurveda, naturopathy, sustainable and mindful eating, improving cooking process, and encourage local produce. So what does we need to do in the Vision 2050 in the next 2 years? These are the 5 points. This is not my dictate. This is the one submitted by the FSSAI to the Global Commission for this is what we face. This is where we have to take care of. So we need manpower, we need resources. We can see, we are just training 60 students in this IIT and IFCA put together, but this is not enough. To manage and get hold of all this vision of 2050, you need thousands of professionals. See, the pandemic may have slowed down, may have stopped, there may be a pause, but there is no stop. Human being has never stopped past eating and keeping his health, being nutritive. It cannot be passed. Can it be passed? If it can be passed, then our jobs also can be passed. So coming to this IIT, this Chef Mastery Program, in fact, I went there to the institute, interacted with all the students. I'm telling you, I'm amazed with the quality of students. I tell you, all my speakers, all my colleagues and chefs will agree. One thing what we require to become a good chef, only one thing you require a good chef is definitely passion. You all agree. Skills can be brought in, everything. And another thing for the passion to make, you need attitude. Attitude means, I'm not going to explain. So what I saw in these 60 kids, they're excellent human beings. Very well charged. They want to learn. These girls, I'm telling you, they come from very, very less privileged families. Either somebody's father is died in accident, or somebody's father is in the army, died, or somebody is dropped from school, they are less privileged, but they have a good attitude. They are very hardworking. I am sure, you know, their attendance, even you don't have in a good catering college, when you announce this kind of a course, we have 100% attendance. But I tell you, with a lot of difficulties, these girls, I'm seeing the attendance 100%. They have logged in from their remotest place. And believe me, they come from the very less privileged, not like us. So I'm telling you, we have made this program for 10 days. I don't think IFCA has done such a fantastic, such a large program, because we want to invest on these kids. We want to invest on these young students. We want them. That is why we have interacted. We have gone to that institute. We have seen their institutes. They're very charged. They're very emotional. They're very strong. And our President, Chef Gill, also has interacted. And we have also got an honor from the Chief Minister for contributing. I'm sure chefs of IFC and trainers will continue this journey of teaching these students the chef mastery. Thank you very much. Thank you. We look forward in detailed program and all we can slowly unveil during the course of time. I'm sure you cannot remember everything. Thank you very much. I also like to thank the Kaushal College for giving us this opportunity. I thank you, IITM alumni, for giving us the opportunity. Thank you all the students. Thank you all the faculty, honorary trainers. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Chef, for the delightful speech. I now request Dr. R.T. Rajendran to say a few words about the guest of honor, Professor Dr. S. Geetalakshmi.
Sangeeta, just please hold on. I think Madam just left. She could not join back. It's only permits 100 people. So can one of the IFC staff, anyone can be? Can you please leave? And Pavitra, can you add, Madam?
Okay.
She's trying to come back. She's
It has become 100. Can any one of you
Okay,
drop?
Chef, I will close.
Yeah, you withdraw. Please get Madam in, please.
Pavitra, can you only admit Madam? Don't. I mean, just see. She's trying to come back, I think.
No, don't. There's somebody else is waiting. Let them wait. Please see, check. Ask Madam to come in, Prabhu. Students, this is for you. I am sure you are all following the SMSS, social distancing, masking. Yes, sir.
Pavitra, just check if Madam is joining.
Hello.
She's just logged in. Ah, there she is.
Yeah.
Welcome, Madam.
Welcome, madam.
Welcome.
Sorry for the network issues. Sorry
Yeah,
for that.
because I am into another one, so I'm jumping from here to other one. That's it.
Sorry for the network glitch. So now we'll proceed with the session. So thank you, Chef, for the delightful speech. I now request Dr. R.T. Rajendran to say a few words about the guest of honor, Professor Dr. S. Geetalakshmi.
Very good morning to the dignitaries present, and it's an honor to introduce Madam, Her Excellency Dr. Geetalakshmi, Vice Chancellor, Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute, Chennai. It's an honor, Madam, to have you. We welcome you.
Thank you.
From being an MBBS student in the Stanley Medical College, Chennai, to grace the highest position of Vice Chancellor of Dr. MGR Educational Research Institute, Chennai, Madam has climbed heights in her career. As a former Vice Chancellor of Tamil Nadu, Dr. MGR Medical University, postgrad tutor, professor, researcher, publishing countless research papers on her expertise of allergic bronchopulmonary aspergillosis, or in administrative capacities, starting with being the dean in charge supervising various medical camps and campuses. Her sterling and untiring efforts have contributed immensely to the community. As Director of Medical Education from 2011, it is to her credit that more students could get access to the medical colleges. She guided the establishment and infrastructure of new medical colleges, as well as the new breast milk bank for infants and departments of neonatology for the newborns throughout the state of Tamil Nadu. Dr. Geeta Lakshmi is an allopathic doctor as well as a doctor of philosophy, a rare combination to have indeed. At the state level, her 6 awards praised her for being the best teacher by the Tamil Nadu Medical Council in 2004. The most valuable ones are the award for effective management of rescue operations given by the Chief Minister and the award of appreciation for timely help in 108 services by the Indian Red Cross Society TN branch. A Lifetime Achievement Award in 2015 by the Indian Association of Medical Microbiology, and to crown her achievements was the Dr. B.C. Roy National Award in 2016 by the Medical Council of India for her outstanding service in the field of socio-medical relief. Dr. Geeta Lakshmi is well known in the field of international medicine. She possesses 3 prestigious international recognitions for her untiring efforts. The significant ones among them are the UNESCO Chair in Bioethics Haifa Award for Distinguished Service in Bioethics Education in the year 2018, and also for her post as the unit head of the Tamil Nadu State Novel Center of UNESCO Bioethics Unit. Thank you, and it's a pleasure to have you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much for inviting me. And of course, since I'm from the medical field, as you know, food is the basic part. So wherever I go to the hotels, from star hotels to an ordinary hotel, culinary, how to serve is very important than the food preparation, and the taste of it is very important. So we throng to certain hotels because of its services and the taste of the food, which is of nutritional value. And also, I have also come across chef masters of various star hotels just coming and asking me whether the food was very good and how was it. Really, when we say them that the food is very good and very tasty, and the services you are being given is really applauding. Really, they become very happy, and the next time I go, really they serve you, and that gives them the encouragement to the chef. So, on behalf of the Dr. MGR Dean University, on behalf of the management, we should thank our chairman ACS Shanmugam and the president ACS Arun Kumar, who are the untiring to give freedom for education and educate downtrodden and poor students in our community. On behalf of them, I welcome you all. And as you know, it's as a part of this alumni that is Pan IIT alumni reach branch of Jharkhand and ITI Kaushal Culinary College, Ranchi, Indian Federation of Culinary Association Presidium members. I welcome you all because there are a lot of name and many names are there, which is I keep on. But anyway, I welcome you all, and I would love all the chefs here because I've been asking Mr. Prabhu, who was the principal of our hotel management and culinary, who's really, I would say, like a hardworking person in our institution. And definitely he would take the whole, the week-long or program into a grand success with you all. And as you know, like the food is the main basic fact of life, and making the food pleasant and tasty is very important. But without the nutrition part of it not being wasted is also very important. And also keeping in mind the disease pattern, which changes from place to place, nation to nation, culture to culture. We have to keep, and also the food pattern, we have to keep it in mind in preparing these foods, so that internationally any person who go to a hotel can take food of their choice, and they are not being said that this is not available. So that is all seen in star hotels. But in an ordinary 3-star hotels, we have to go in another country. We have to see that our food of Indian food are available. And best thing is, I would say that egg, bread are the ones, and potatoes and some fruits are the basic foods which we can have. And once I had an opportunity to go to Johannesburg, where I'm telling you, it was a guest house. Of course, there were chefs there. I asked for, because I am a vegetarian, I asked for a vegetarian food because they had hot dogs and whatnot, which I could not take. And they really prepared hot dogs with cabbage leaf, with some stuffing of vegetables into it. And they also gave me a vegetable, saying this is the vegetable, and they put me with the full potato. So for them, the full potato is a vegetable salad for them. So that is how I managed myself in South Africa. So wherever we go internationally, I look for food, and whether it is tasty, and whether it is goes with our body's condition and the disease which we have. And of course, these food should not further make us to into the health problem. So I would write the hotel management and the services they do. Definitely, it's going to catch up, and particularly during this COVID time, the food industry was the industry which did not have any deficit. And in fact, the parcel services in star hotels to a small hotel went on well. And the job opportunities for the hotel management students are wide throughout internationally. And I also tell, when I came across a small village in, I think so, in Australia, near Melbourne, I had to go to a hotel. And they said that, and when I asked the owner of that hotel, he said that he had done his chef mastery, hotel management from ACS group of institution. So these, what I would like to say is, the hotel management with the culinary, really they have a lot of opportunities, which still the awareness has to be made. So thank you all for inviting me. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Professor Dr. S. Geethalakshmi, for the wonderful words. Now I call Ms. Niranjana to introduce Mr. Kalyan T. Chakravarti.
Thank you all for inviting me for this meeting. And definitely it's a grand success. And I wish the hotel management team with the principal, Mr. Prabhu, who has been toiling with you all for a long time to make this happen. Thank you all, Sundararajan Palniappan, Mr. Manjit Singh, and Saurabh Sen and his group of people who are here to make this happen. Really, it's great. I'm into another meeting, so I have to jump
Thank you,
from
madam.
this
Thank you
meeting
very
to
much
another.
for.
Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much for accepting our invitation. Thank you very much, madam. I think after the pandemic, we will come and meet you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, once again.
Thank you.
Now I call Ms. Niranjana to introduce Mr. Kalyanti Chakravarti.
I take immense pleasure in introducing Mr. Kalyan Chakravarti, founding Sevak and Executive Director at Pan IIT Alumni Reach for India Foundation. He completed his MBA from Indian School of Business, where he taught with Dean's Merit List. He is also a winner of Commendation for Outstanding Contribution awarded by Institute Blues Committee during his bachelor's degree in Indian Institute of Technology. He has worked with 3i Infotech, formerly known as ICICI Infotech Limited and ITC Limited, in key roles before founding the Pan IIT Alumni Reach Foundation. His specialities include social enterprises and strategy. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you, Niranjana. Now I request Mr. Kalyanti Chakravarti to address the gathering. Over to you, sir.
I think Mr. Kalyan is having a little difficulty logging in, but he will join us in a very short bit.
No, I'm here.
Oh yeah, good, good. Sorry.
No, I've been here, yeah. So thank you, everybody. Really appreciate, the IFCA team for a wonderful, wonderful event. I've heard Chef Gill, Chef Sounder, and everybody else really thankful to the vision, and the seed sown by Gill Saab is now kind of sprouted, and all these kids are ready to be placed. Of course, the pandemic situation has its own challenges, but nevertheless, so it's a wonderful opportunity for all of us to partner with likes of IFCA and all the wonderful chef partners there are of IFCA and the foundation and the federations of various regions. Really appreciate the wonderful effort from the design and everything else. In fact, it's turned out to be one of very good entry-level catering schools. We have got acclaim from IHM and everybody. In fact, the skills minister said one of the top 3 culinary centers is seen in the country. So thanks to IFCA for all the support and being a firm partner. Of course, once pandemic is over, hopefully we will be able to get the girls to cook up a feast for you. Of course, they are just still learning, but nevertheless, they can at least get your feedback and blessings. So really, thank you, IFCA team. I think we are really excited with this partnership, and we know it will go places. And in fact, we want to expand into more such initiatives. And I'm happy to inform that all the girls are also starting to get to the placement process because of examinations got delayed because of COVID. Otherwise, we are happy to place them, and quickly we request others also who can give us some more placement connects as for internships to kind of come on board. And it's a fantastic opportunity to take care of lives and livelihoods. And these girls have really made us proud. If you see their transformation from the day Chef Gill actually kind of met them to now, I mean, they've truly transformed in their journey, and thanks to wonderful support from IFCA and the personal leadership of Chef Gill, Chef Sounder, of course the entire Chennai IFCA team. It's really an honor to be here, and thank you. Really appreciate all the wonderful help and support, and we want more of it. So absolutely, thank you, and keep us posted on any of the internship placement opportunities. These girls are very eager. In fact, I think they've gone highest concentration of catering training because they've not learned anything else in the last 2 years, and they've actually done some home cooking and posted videos on YouTube. So it's a very interesting transformation. If you remember, the original theme was Oliver Twist to Jamie Oliver, and we can see at least some sparks of that happening. And thank you again for IFCA for this wonderful partnership. That's it from my side.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Without any further delay, I would like to invite Dr. Chef Soundararajan sir to overtake the session.
Chef, music is not coming. Maybe
Music is not that much. So. Anyway, I'm going to just teaser.
I know you'll be talking about it, so it's good.
Yeah, I will talk. Okay, now I'm sure we don't have to talk too much, but it is good that all the speakers are present. We can always honor them by introducing. Once I call the name, you can always wave your hand so that people know that you are there. And so Chef Manjit Singhal is the president. He is also going to teach. Chef MS Gupta, then Chef Soundararajan Ram, that is me. Chef Vijay Bhaskar.
Yeah.
Chef Manisha Bas. Chef Akshay Kulkarni. Chef Siddhar. Mr. Prabhu. Dr. Pasupati. Chef Rakesh Sethi. Chef Ramesh Javaji. Chef Jugesh Arora. Chef Tuskar. Chef Sitaram Prasad. Chef Mrs. Madhu Kishan. Chef Sanjay Thakur, Chef Varinder Rana, Chef Rahul Wali, Chef Nitin, Chef Uma Shankar, Chef Nitin, Chef Suman, Chef Raj Mohan, and Altamis Patel. I'm sorry, I don't have the list. I'm just reading it from the pictures, and I'm sure you will.
Yashwant Kumar.
Yashwant is the second.
Yep,
The
yes.
very youngest person on our fold, that is very new person from the fold. So, okay. Any chef, anybody would like to say a few words before? Anyway, everyone has got their own individual slot. Maybe before we invite Chef Vijay Bhaskar to give vote of thanks, if some senior chefs can give a talk for a minute or half minute, so that.
Chef, I invite Chef Segar sir to just brief the law program. Chef Segar sir, are you? Segar sir, are you in the meeting?
No. Okay. Chef Siddhar, would you like to say a few words? Chef Siddhar?
Good morning. Yeah. Thank you. It's really a privilege for all of us to be associated with such a prestigious thing, because it's something which we been doing it for others. But now it is for girls who really need this, who are passionate about it. And I am looking forward to interacting with the girls now. And let's see. And we hope that they do well in their whatever life they have in future. So wherever they are posted, wherever they do, they should do well. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Chef Shakesh Singh, would you like to have a few words before we close?
Very good morning to one and all. And it's a matter of privilege for us to be associated with IFCA for this journey of our students. That is actually a life transformation journey. And we would like to also thank our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Hemant Sorenji, Honorable Cabinet Minister for Skills Development, Dr. M.N. Pandeyji, for their support and encouragement. And I would also like to thank Dr. G. Gita Lakshmi, Vice Chancellor, MGR Educational Research and Institute, Chennai, for a time and valuable inputs. We are very delighted to have our Executive Director, Mr. Kalyan Chakravarti, with us. We thank you for your time, sir. We also, ladies and gentlemen, I would just like to ensure that next 25 days is going to be power-packed. The chef, there are 25 chefs who would be sharing their experience and expertise with our students. And I want to say a big thank to all the chefs who have joined us in this life transformation mission. And at last, I want to conclude by wishing my students great learning and a wonderful career ahead. Thank you very much, Chef.
Thank you.
And Chef Sounder, just to add to that, we must special thanks to Chef Jugesh Arora, because he's actually designed the kitchen, and he must come down and see how we've executed it. And for all the chefs who are taking these master classes, we believe in the principle of Gurukul. So there's a famous quote called Guru Parampara, Vande Guru Paramparam. So all of you are really gurus. Guru really means not just giving lessons and knowledge, but you're really giving wisdom. So we really thank all of you to find time during pandemic to do this. The girls are really humbled, and in fact, we will send across the profile of the entire girls, from where we picked them up, and the transformation with your kind of exposure and the wisdom that is given to them is going to be phenomenal. The only request is jahan tak ho sakta hai, Hindi mein kariye, because there's still a learning part of English, part of Hindi. But other than that, and of course, our team led by Chef Sakesh and Meenakshi Kumar and Vijay and everybody has done a fabulous job on this side. So really thank you to the entire, the Chef Guru world of the IFCA, and really appreciate all of you taking time out and keep us in mind going forward. Like I said, this is the beginning of the journey, and we will surely scale up more such initiatives in coming days. So really thank you.
Sir, Chef, I would like to request Chef Ramesh Javaji to felicitate.
Yeah. Sorry. What do you want me to do? I didn't.
Just felicitate. Contribute.
Yeah. Okay. No, in fact, I was just going. No, it's such an honor and a privilege, because not that we're not saying it from a publicity point of view, but it's Chef Gill, Chef Soundararajan, Kaushal College. It's such a joy and an honor that we can serve the people who really need it. And then if you can give them skills and equip them, I also want to say from my own side that I'll be ever ready to help them in the life journey as they go on, to handhold them into the industry and to help them. Like I do that mentoring for many chefs who are there who want to switch. But this doing for the, I don't want to say anything, the lesser privileged ones, I want to do the best. And I'm really grateful for IFCA. I'm very proud to be associated. I've told a lot of my friends and everybody. And thank you for this beautiful day, and that all of us participated, IIT, and we have NetProfem, and we have Chefs Guild of India, and of course we were talking about Chef Gill and Chef Soundararajan. Of course, they are stalwarts into the world field and the United Nations and everything. But more than anything, this culinary thing, I think after the pandemic and everything, we're going to really roar and fly as eagles. We're going to bless the people who need the support, so that we are there. And it's not about money, it's not about publicity, but we are there to equip them to be in the field and do an excellent job, because in India, we are nonetheless to anybody in the world. I just want Jai Hind, that's all. God bless you all.
Thank you, Chef. Dr.
I'd like to invite Dr. Pasupathy. I tell you, Dr. Pasupathy has got several doctorates, and he is an expert and he is an advisor on food hygiene. As students and at Kaushal College, you all should be very happy to have him. He is also going to teach you. I tell you, all these chefs put together, they might have trained more than 20,000-30,000 chefs in their lifetime together. So it's such a good team. So don't miss these classes. Over to Dr. Pasupathy.
Good morning, everybody. It's a pleasant privilege. It's a wonderful opportunity to associate myself with the IFCA and the government of Jharkhand, the IIT alumni effort, which is also always wonderful. The Pan IIT outreach, I've heard about them. And whatever is done by IFCA, I've always seen it being very professional. And in my little own way, with my little knowledge of food safety, as the National Advisor for FHRI and IFCA on food safety, I'll definitely do my best, perhaps teach in Hindi and a bit of Bhojpuri, which I know, and English to the beneficiaries. And I'm 100% sure that the transformation will be wonderful and their life will be great. And I'm assuring you that we are there with you for the good effort and the good intentions. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving me
Thank
this
you, doctor. Thank you. Chef Sunit Sharma, would you like to say a few words? Chef Sunit Sharma. Chef Tushkar?
Yeah.
Before he comes in. Yeah, Sunit is in.
Good morning, team, IFCA, Pan IIT, and students and my dear faculty of the Kaushal College. It's an honor and it's an honor and a pleasure to be doing this, talking to you, and personally as well, because I know I come from Jamshedpur. I was born and brought up in Jamshedpur, which is in Jharkhand, and I know the kind of deficit I know the kind of lack of opportunities there. So IFCA chefs, what we are doing for them, it is immense. All of us who are from the rest of India we may comprehend, but we may not really understand how much more we are doing. That place is really needing opportunities, and the chefs trade, contributing to the students there, to the underprivileged. It's a great thing. It's really a great thing. Thank you. I'm happy to be part of this initiative.
Thank you, Chef Tushkar.
Good morning, one and all. I would like to thank IFCA for giving me this opportunity to be a part of this initiative for the underprivileged, and would be happy to help anytime. And thank you very much.
Prabhu is there? Prabhu, can we go to for vote of thanks, or do you have anything else to say?
Let's need to add one thing.
We can introduce, yes, sir. We can invite anyone else wanted to speak.
Anyone else wanted to speak, please, you can.
I just want to have one 30 seconds.
Please, sir.
I already talked to some companies that people have assured me that they are going to send the offer letter, to the college, to the Kaushal College, the girls who can move around anywhere in India, and there will be a job opportunity soon. Will be officially written to the Kaushal College for that.
Thank you so much, Chef. And
yeah.
Thank you, Chef Gill. In fact, these girls are migrants. With all the the issues which happened in COVID, migrants. So this is a wonderful opportunity for us to really kind of give back our bit into the COVID relief in a real, in a manner which is very befitting to our profession. So really appreciate Chef Gill. Wonderful. The thanks from Mr. Puri and Mr. Rangraj. They're very involved now with Pan IIT. So thank you again from the ITC family as well.
Thank you.
Chef, no, thank you, Chef. Chef Segar sir has joined. Segar sir, would you like to offer the felicitation, the launch on Chef Mastery? I think you know the complete concept. Unmute, sir. Please unmute.
Okay, before he unmutes and comes in, hello.
Segar sir, please unmute. Yes, sir.
Very good afternoon. On behalf of hotel management, where I am, in charge of certain very special quality initiatives, I in fact thank everybody who's the background, who have made me a part of this initiative. This inauguration function has been wonderful, and particularly I was very impressed, rather amazed to see the way the whole structure has been made for making these young girls who are underprivileged to have this kind of an education. It actually does not happen this way, and all the hotel management institutions will have definitely a great takeaway on the moral side of it. And it's wonderful to see that such top people from IFCA, then IIT alumni, and all of them coming together and joining to make an initiative like this. One can't expect anything less than the top class quality in delivering an education, whether it is a small module of 1 year or 10 days marathon, whatever it is going to be wonderful. And really, from the beginning of this inaugural function, I've been seeing it's, I'm really wondering as to what a kind of event I am in. Thank you very much, and we have a lot of takeaways, and there are a number of top chefs who are internationally renowned, and chefs of great expertise. All are among in this forum, and to see them and to listen to them and to and learn so many things that they are from the way they are talking, I could understand, and I'm only thankful and grateful for being here. And Chef Manjit Singh Gill, our president of IFCA, Dr. Soundararajan, and Madhusudan Gupta ji, and Vijay Bhaskar ji, all the chefs. And I've been associated with IFCA for almost 6 years now, and I've known a little about many people. And from the point of view of all that, I should thank everyone. And from the side of hotel management and catering technology, Dr. MGR Education and Research Institute, and on with the permission of Mr. Prabhu, or Dean, I record here that it's a great initiative, and we would like to be a part of this any day and any part of the module that you want us to be. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Can you hand over to the MC?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Just sorry, Chef. Dr. Chandrika, do you have any? Are you on attending? Dr. Chandrika, are you available, madam? Dr. Chandrika, madam.
Yes, Prabhu sir.
Yes, madam. I think the great chefs are here. You can, give your blessings to all the chefs, Chef Gill, and the program IIT PAN IIT team.
Actually, sir, that is a bit too much to ask, because I am not such a great person to give them all blessings. They should give us the blessings, because now you see they are almost like gods, because they are going to prepare a team of young girls to actually, to survive in this world. So that is one of the greatest human services that we can do. So these people who have come from different places and with different skills, they are going to really transform the life of all these people. So I think, everyone, it is, you can say that, it's very easy to tell, oh, okay, it's a small thing that we are doing. But no, it is not a small thing. It's a great service, and a service to the nation as well as to the human, humanity, actually. So with those words, and with a lot of thanks, and with great hope for a better tomorrow for all these girls, I think I really give all my best wishes to all those people who are in this group. Thank you so much, Prabhu. You have given me a great chance to interact with them. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for participating. Yes, Chef. Chef, over to you.
Over to MC, I think.
Thank you for all the chefs for your encouraging and wonderful words to the budding chefs over here. I now request Ms. Niranjana to introduce Vice President, Chef Vijay Bhaskar.
Introduction because I also have a class later with the students, so we can be introduced to them later.
Yes,
I have to give thank you note, isn't it? I have to give the thank you note. Yeah. So thank you all. I think my job has been made easier because many people have thanked the concerned people. On behalf of IFC, I would like to thank Kaushal College and PAN IIT and Government of Jharkhand to take this joint initiative. I think it's a very, very noble initiative.
Noble cause.
Can you hear me?
Oh yes, we can.
मैं एक ही स्टूडेंट्स को एक ही बोलना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि these students are first batch of students. तो यही किया जाता है इंग्लिश में, फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन इज द बेस्ट इंप्रेशन. तो अगर ये जो गर्ल स्टूडेंट जो है, तो जब वो लोग होटल ज्वाइन करेंगे, रेस्टोरेंट ज्वाइन करेंगे, जो इंडस्ट्री ज्वाइन करेंगे, जो इंप्रेशन वो वहां काम के जगह पे जो करेंगे, that will make easier for the future students of the college to attain the desired results in the industry. तो फर्स्ट बैच जो है बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बैच है. तो आपको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला, इसको पूरा आपको इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा. और you have a responsibility for the future people who are coming behind you. आपको जो पीछे जो स्टूडेंट्स एडमिशन लेंगे उनको भी आपकी ऊपर है. So please make sure that apart from a chance, you also have a responsibility. Another thing I want to say to the students, अगर हम लोग भी ये एज से गुजर के आए हैं, लेकिन हमको ऐसा चांस नहीं मिला जो बड़े-बड़े शेफ से सीखे, तो use this opportunity. So once again, I want to thank all the concerned people. A special thanks to Dr. MGR University and the team headed by Prabhu for putting all this together. Thank you one and all, and we'll see you continuously for the next 10 days. Best wishes to you all.
Thank you, Chef, for the wonderful vote of thanks.
Thank you very much. I think we will, this will be the end of this program, and probably we will send the link from the admin for the second session. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Chef. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you all the chef for spending your valuable time. We have a wonderful session for the next 10 days, which will definitely help the budding chefs in a great manner. Have a great weekend. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you all.